There are many laws and regulations in place to help benefit animal populations, as well as agencies to help enforce these laws. Hunting regulations control when throughout the year you're allowed to hunt. They restrict by gender of the animal, age, or class. They limit the number of animals a person can hunt, as well as regulate the type of weapon you're allowed to use while hunting. The Federal Aid in Wildlife Restoration Act placed a 10% sales tax on all guns and ammunition, and this money is split up between the states and used for wildlife management activities and research. The Lacey Act was in place in 1900 and became the first federal law to protect game, or any animal that's being hunted. And it did this by prohibiting the shipment of wildlife taken or killed illegally, and it also prevented the importation, or bringing something in that wasn't there, of any species that could cause harm. The Endangered Species Act protects and recovers species in danger, as well as the ecosystem that they depend upon. So under the Endangered Species Act, a species may be listed as either endangered or threatened. An endangered species is one that's in danger of extinction, and a threatened species is one that is likely to become endangered within the near future. So if something is listed as threatened or endangered, there are measures to protect not only the animal, but the area that it lives in. Now, in order to help enforce those, we have organizations like the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, and they were created as an agency of the government that is dedicated to manage and maintain fish, wildlife, and natural habitats. And we also have the DNR, Department of Natural Resources, which you are probably more familiar with, and they are responsible also for enforcing natural resource, recreational safety, and environmental protection laws.